Hello, Kimera Hashiv and you, it's Misha Joseph and am Paslichan an Alaba ha efur and you she matin va a home. Hamiadol don vu. Hamiadol don vu. I'm going to the shop. Hamiadol don vu. The word for shop in Gaelic is boo. You know, just like Halloween. Boo. It's actually a short boo. Boo. Okay, Hamiadol don vu. It changes to V because of lenition. You know the whole Mary Vary thing. It's the same. Yeah. So the word in Gaelic for shop is boo and boo. But because of my sentence, Hamiadol don vu, it changes to a V. Now, dawn, you probably are wondering, what is dawn? Dawn is a contraction between do and an. So Hamiadol, do, and to the shop, and it becomes dawn. Hamiadol don vu. Don vu. And Jane Tenham aher, she the range aher. You probably remember that from that exam the other day that I did. Jane Tenham aher, what's the name on it? The answer, she the range aher. Boo. Okay, so there we are. The name of the shop is The Range, and Hamiadol, I'm going to the shop. Hamiadol don vu chez The Range aher and boo. Okay, the shop, boo. Remember, there's no word for it's just the. Okay, so the first time I said it, I'm going shop, or I'm going to shop. I think it can get a bit confusing, but anyway, what else do I want to tell you? Oh, Le Iceland, with Iceland inside. That's another shop. If you're not British, you won't know what that is. It's like this frozen food shop. Yeah, so that's inside as well. Okay, so the other thing I want to tell you is about the Christmas trees. Do you remember yesterday I made this video clip about the Christmas tree, and I told you about the pronunciation. It's a little bit confusing. I prefer kluven for trees, kluven mor for big trees, yeah. But I also told you there's some variations in that. So I went to the Learn Dictionary, you know, the Learn Gaelic dictionary they have online. You know, that woman that's always really happy, and she says hello in a really kind of happy tone. So I looked up the word for tree, and it sounds a bit like oo, but it has oo at the beginning and then I. It's like Kluven. And if you say it quick, it's going to sound like Cliven. Kluven. Kluven, as she said in her like happy voice. So that's probably the closest I'm going to get to pronunciation. I personally don't pay much attention to sounds, unfortunately. I knew it is Kluven, so there we are. It's actually Kluven with an I sound, just to correct it. Okay, just so you know. Yeah, you can see it's very grey here, huh? Yeah. Fuur, gley-uur. Gley-uur. Remember, if you say gley, there's another lenition happens, and fuur becomes gley-uur because the F falls away. The same as Cymrahau Hain and Cymrahashiv Fain. It gets a little bit confusing with the sounds. Cymrahau Hain, Cymrahashiv as well. When you're saying the word Fain, you yourself, it sometimes drops down to Hain. So you need just to be aware of that as well. You can double check on when you need it. But there we are. Yeah, so Jane Tenemaher, she the range I hear, I guess, Iceland, delicious. I'm not sure what else I can tell you. Oh yeah, well, the word for car, guess what it is in Gaelic? Yeah, car. And remember, it can lenite into char as well. So if it takes the extra H, there we are. Oh. Boo. Jane Tenham my hair. Show. Boo. Marks and Spencer's. She M&S. I hear. Very nice. Yeah, that's another shop. Okay, that's it. Martin Lecce and Drazda.